To start, create a slip knot. Create a loop with the yarn, twist over and bring the long tail of yarn through the loop. Pull the loop to secure the knot. Now insert the hook into the loop and pull the knot securely using the long tail. To hold the yarn, place your hand flat and place the yarn over your palm. Hold the yarn with the bottom 3 fingers. Bring yarn behind your index finger and turn your hand towards you, keeping your index finger pointed. Hold the slip knot with your thumb and middle finger. To work a chain, move the hook towards you and then under the yarn. Twist the hook to catch the yarn and pull through. Repeat until you have worked enough chains for your project. Each stitch will look like a V, so it is easy to count how many you have done. In this video, we have done 10.